Feeling constantly wired but tired? Like you're running on fumes, your brain is foggy, and the smallest thing can make you irritable? You're not just stressed, your nervous system is likely stuck in survival mode. Let me explain. Our bodies have two main settings, fight or flight, also known as the sympathetic nervous system, and rest and digest, a parasympathetic nervous system. In the past, fight or flight was a lifesaver. See a tiger, get a jolt of adrenaline, and you run. Once safe, your body would switch back to the calm, rest and digest state. But what's the modern day tiger? It's the constant ping of your phone. It's that looming deadline at work. It's the never-ending to-do list, the traffic, the 24/7 news cycle. Each one of these is a small threat, a mini tiger. The problem is, they never stop coming. So our bodies never get the signal that we're safe. We get locked into a state of chronic sympathetic dominance. Living in this state isn't just mentally exhausting. It has real physical consequences. It can lead to burnout, anxiety spikes, trouble sleeping, and even gut issues. You might feel like you're always on high alert, unable to truly relax. You're exhausted, but you can't switch off. You know the feeling. You crash onto the couch at night, but your mind is still racing a million miles an hour. It's a biological problem, not a personal failure. Your internal alarm system is just stuck in the on position. For years, many of us assume this is just what adult life feels like. We think, life is hard, I just need to push through. But what if I told you that you could intentionally flip the switch back to calm? What if you could reset your nervous system without needing to go on a week-long silent retreat or meditate for an hour every day? The goal is to shift your default state from stress to calm to activate that rest and digest system. And you can do it with simple science-backed techniques that take just a few moments. These are what I call micro resets. They signal to your body that the tiger is gone and it's safe to power down. Let's try one right now. It's called the physiological sigh. It's one of the fastest ways to tell your brain and body to calm down. All you have to do is take a deep inhale through your nose, and then right at the top, sneak in one more little sip of air. Then, let it all out with a long, slow exhale through your mouth. Let's do it together. Deep inhale, another sip, and a long, slow exhale. Feel that? That one breath just told your nervous system it's time to relax. Another powerful reset involves your vision. When we're stressed, our focus narrows, like we're looking through a tunnel. To reverse this, simply look around the room and widen your gaze. Try to see as far into your peripheral vision as you can. Notice the walls, the ceiling, the floor, all at once without moving your eyes. This is called panoramic vision, and it sends a signal to your brain that you are safe enough to observe your surroundings. You're not being chased by a predator. You can also use temperature. Splashing cold water on your face or holding an ice pack to your chest or the sides of your neck stimulates the vagus nerve, which is a major player in the rest and digest system. This is a quick and powerful way to jolt your body out of a stress response. It instantly brings you back to the present moment and cools down that internal fire. The key is to sprinkle these micro resets throughout your day. Do a physiological sigh before a meeting. Widen your gaze while you're waiting for your coffee to brew. Hum or sing in the car. Vibrations in the throat also stimulate the vagus nerve. These aren't huge life changes. They are small, intentional moments of self-regulation that over time rewire your nervous system. You're teaching your body that it doesn't have to be on high alert all the time. You're showing it how to return to its natural state of balance and calm. You'll start to notice you sleep better, your digestion improves, and that constant feeling of being overwhelmed begins to fade. You're not broken. Your system just needs a reset. So the next time you feel that wave of stress, remember you have the power to flip the switch. Take a breath. Look around. You are in control. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips on reclaiming your calm.